Almost every business channel on YouTube is talking about how AI is going to change everything. They say it's going to be a big problem for us all, but they are not completely right. There's more to it. To really get what's happening with AI, you need to know three main things. First, let's consider the substantial change AI is bringing. It's not just a step forward, it's a leap into a new era. AI is more than a tool, it's a game changer. Like how the plow improve farming efficiency. AI is enhancing our capabilities in unprecedented ways. It's transforming tasks that we once thought only humans could do. The uniqueness of AI lies in its versatility and ability to improve itself over time, a trait that sets it apart from all previous technologies. Second, it's essential to understand how AI is going to change our lives every day. It's in the small things, like how we get our news, to the big things, like how diseases are diagnosed. AI is not a future concept, it's here, reshaping the way we live in both noticeable and subtle ways. It's making shopping more personalized, entertainment more tailored, and even simplifying complex tasks like planning a trip. Third, there is aspect of monetizing AI. In today's world, understanding AI isn't just interesting, it's financially crucial. Whether you are managing a business or creating content, knowing how to utilize AI effectively is key to success. It's about using AI to boost creativity and productivity. And those who master this will have a significant advantage. Looking back in history, we see that major changes have always led to improvements, but not without challenges. The printing press, for example, changed how information was shared but also led to information overload. Similarly, AI offers incredible benefits and efficiencies but also brings challenges like job displacement. AI's journey has been more extended than many realize, gaining significant attention with user-friendly platforms like Chatgpt around late 2022. This has made AI accessible to a wider audience, allowing various sectors to leverage its potential, from small businesses optimizing operations to artists exploring new realms of creativity. Tools like ChatGPT can do a vast range of tasks, which is impressive, but the most striking aspect is the pace at which AI is advancing. This rapid development, fueled by the increasing power of computing technology, opens up possibilities that we're just beginning to explore. The main challenge with AI isn't the technology itself, but how we use it. The real limitation is our ability to ask the right questions and apply AI's insights. The biggest barrier to AI's potential is our creativity and understanding. Controlling AI is a major concern. While AI can bring significant benefits, it also possesses unique challenges, including ethical issues and potential risk. Balancing innovation with caution and ethical considerations is critical, and navigating these challenges. Now let's address the topic of AI and jobs. Yes, AI will make some jobs obsolete, but it will now create new ones. The key is adaptability and willingness to learn new skills. History has shown that technological advancements, while eliminating certain jobs, also create new opportunities. AI is no different. The impact of AI on the job market is unfolding in unexpected ways. Initially, it was thought that AI would first replace manual labor, then administrative roles, and finally creative jobs. However, AI is already excelling in creative fields and beginning to perform complex tasks in areas like medicine and law. In healthcare, for example, would you trust an AI doctor with access to vast medical databases and up to date knowledge, or a human doctor who might rely on less current information? AI's role here is not about replacing doctors, but enhancing their capabilities with its vast knowledge and analytical power. Similarly, AI's potential in personalization is significant, affecting everything from entertainment to advertising. The reality is that many jobs will be displaced by AI. This is a trend accelerated by AI but not initiated by it. The key to navigating this shift is adaptability and a willingness to embrace new technologies. AI is not just a challenge for the workforce, it's an opportunity. By taking over repetitive tasks, AI allows us to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of our work. This can elevate the quality of our output, allowing us to focus on innovation and strategy. As we embark on this journey, staying informed and engaged with the latest development in AI will be crucial. Join us as we continue to explore the evolving world of AI and its impact on our lives, work, and society.